if you are not using it. Okay, guys, good evening. So today we will be talking about some history about Fortinet. Apart from that, we will also cover what is firewall. The first topic for the day is what is firewall. Right now, the second question is second, third, fourth, and five. So, what is stateless and stateful? Firewall, right? Also, we will cover type of firewall. The next point we will cover would be Fortinet history. Fortinet products. Apart from that, the sixth point we will cover Fortinet products, history products, and series, I can say, devices. We can also say it category, means how they categorize their devices, right? So this is what we are covering today. So let's start with what is firewall. All right. This is your history. So, so what is firewall as per your understanding? Can anyone would like to share your thoughts?
Uh,
Hmm.
to secure the path or access anything.
Right. Not right. But
Okay.
because for security we use encryption, right? We don't use firewall, yeah. We yes we can secure our network, right? Like
Okay.
let's say just look at this picture. We can filter
Mhm.
the unwanted traffic which is coming from our inside network, right? So
Okay.
we can filter the traffic by using a firewall device. Only
Mhm.
authorized person can access our inside network, and unauthorized packets would be dropped here, right? That is why we use firewall. So this is just a concept, right? I'm looking for I'm looking for a language like that. A firewall is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic. What it says, monitor. It is not saying encryption, right? There is no encrypting kind of thing, just monitoring. Now, incoming monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and decides whether to allow or block specific traffic based on defined set of security rules, right? So this is your uh, proper definition of the firewall, right? Firewalls have been a first line of defense in network security for over 25 years. They establish a barrier between secured and controlled internal networks, right, that can be trusted and untrusted outside network, such as an internet. A firewall can be hardware and software both. So there are two type of firewall, I can say like that. We also have software firewall and we also have hardware firewall. So FortiGate is our hardware firewall, right? Why? Because for FortiGate we have a hardware device, right? Like router, we do have
Hello.
FortiGate device. Yes, yes. Yes, Sridhar. So basically, we were talking about FortiGate, right? So this is your FortiGate firewall, right? So this is a hardware device, and we use a particular software or particular yes, I can say software or operating system to manage this firewall, right? So this is your hardware firewall, and what is your software firewall? Software firewall always installed. Most of the time, you will find it on your system. So this is your software firewall, which is in Windows 10, Windows Defender firewall with advanced security. This is your software firewall, and Fortinet and Palo Alto, Checkpoint, Cisco ASA, FTD. These all are your hardware firewalls, right? So now let's move to the next topic, which is next point. I can say like that. Okay, guys. So we were talking about firewall and types of firewall, right? So firewall, we already done with firewall. Now types of firewall. Okay. Firewall is a network device that isolates organizations' internal network from larger outside network internet. It can be hardware, software. We already done with that, right? Let's move to next slide. Okay, so firewall is categorized into three basic types. The first one is packet filter, second one is application level gateway, and the third one is circuit level gateway, which we will not cover, right? So let me give you an example of this packet filter firewall, right? So packet filter firewall is something, uh, let's say layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5, layer 6, and layer 7. This is our OSI layers, right? 7 layers. With the normal firewall, we can do filtering till layer 4. Normal firewall can only filter packets till लेयर 4, ठीक है? लेयर 4 तक ही फिल्टरिंग करती है हमारी जो एक नॉर्मल फायरवॉल होती है, राइट? नाउ इफ़ वी यूज़ एनी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फायरवॉल, with the help of next generation firewall, we can also filter the traffic on layer 7 applications. This is your application layer 7, right? Application layer. So now you can filter HTTP traffic, HTTPS traffic. Even you can also filter Facebook games, Facebook groups, right? This is one of the best example. Instead of blocking complete Facebook website, you can block particular category of a Facebook. Like let's say Facebook pages are blocked, and you can also block Facebook chat option. So where this filtering going on is on layer 7. We can apply this filter on layer 7. So this is our next generation firewall. So FortiGate is also our next generation firewall. ठीक है जी, FortiGate हमारी क्या है? नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फायरवॉल है. और एक नॉर्मल फायरवॉल थी, वो क्या करती थी? एक लेयर 4 फायरवॉल थी. with the layer 4 we can on layer 4 we can block any TCP and UDP services, and layer 3 we can permit or deny any IP, and on layer 2 we can permit or deny any MAC address or physical address, right? So this is how our old firewall works. Our old firewall works on till layer 4, not on layer 5, not on layer 6, and not on layer 7. But our next generation firewall, they can work till layer 7. Layer 7, even we can also watch and check the sessions which has been made by session layer, right? So we can also find them out, and we can also filter them out, sorry. ठीक है, तो जो 5, 6, 7 जो है आपका, इस पे 7th लेयर पे एप्लीकेशंस रन होती हैं, ये सभी को पता है। तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एप्लीकेशन लेयर पे भी फिल्टरिंग कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फायरवॉल से। सो FortiGate इज़ अवर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फायरवॉल। ठीक है, FortiGate, फर्स्ट वन, सेकेंड वन चेकपॉइंट, थर्ड वन Palo Alto, fourth Cisco FTD. This is called firepower, right? So these all are our next generation firewall. Okay, so now let's move to type of filtering. So the first one is packet filter, stateless and stateful. Okay, stateless means there is no state can be maintained by any device, means nobody maintaining the states. ठीक है, for example, let's say this is your firewall and this is your internet which is connected to the internet. Your firewall is connected to the internet, and this is your inside network. This is your firewall device. ठीक है, उधर समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये तुम्हारा इनसाइड नेटवर्क है और ये आपका ISP है, ठीक है, विच इज़ योर आउटसाइड नेटवर्क। ये तुम्हारा आउटसाइड नेटवर्क है, ये तुम्हारा इनसाइड नेटवर्क है। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द स्टेटलेस। स्टेटलेस मीन्स if from inside, let's say in inside we have a user, user B, user C. Let's say we have 3 users and they would like to communicate with the internet, right? So just if I talk about normal firewall, it cannot maintain any state, right? State means they are not maintaining any particular table for any incoming or outgoing traffic. Right, they are not maintaining any table. It means this is your stateless firewall, means anybody can go outside and anybody can come inside. You can do only one thing, you can either deny all the traffic from this end, or you can only permit or deny the traffic on this end. So this is your stateless firewall, right? To explain it better, let me search it on Google. Okay, this is my Google. So if you want to better understand this stateless firewall, then I hope you all know about the ACL, access control list, right? So what ACL rule does, it just block any particular IP address or network address. With the help of ACL, we can block IP address, network address, or any particular port. Let's say port number 80, 23, 22, these are the examples. ठीक है, ACL रूल के थ्रू हम स्टेटलेस फायरवॉल में ACL जो लगाते हैं हम, या फिर एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, ACL क्या होता है? एक स्टेटलेस फायरवॉल होता है आपका, ठीक है, जिससे आप IP एड्रेस किसी पर्टिकुलर नेटवर्क को भी ब्लॉक कर सकते हो, IP को भी ब्लॉक कर सकते हो, पोर्ट को भी ब्लॉक कर सकते हो और सर्विसेज को भी ब्लॉक कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो ये किसका एग्जांपल है? द ACL स्टेटलेस फायरवॉल का। ओके जी। सो स्टेटलेस एंड स्टेटफुल फायरवॉल आर टू कॉमनली रेफर्ड, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन अ सेकेंड। Now, all okay with stateless firewall? If we apply any ACL, ACL is also kind of stateless firewall. Okay, ठीक है जी, समझ में आया stateless? Okay,
Yes.
हाँ. Now let's move to stateful. So what stateful firewall doing? Stateful firewall capturing all the requests which is going from inside to outside. Let me tell you in my own way, right? Let's say this is your firewall, this is your inside network where you have multiple users, let's say 500, 5000, whatever it is, and this is your internet, right? Let's say we have user A and user A wants to communicate with the internet, ठीक है, user A communicate करना चाहता है internet से. So let's say user A sending a packet, right? And user A sending packet, let's say this is your SYN packet. So now the SYN packet forwarded to the internet. Let's say there is one server and the user A sending this SYN packet to this server, right? So now what my firewall doing is, my firewall saving all the data, saving the data, or not data, just traffic information. Actually my firewall maintaining a table which is called सेशन टेबल और कनेक्शन टेबल, ठीक है। जो ये टेबल बनाती है ना हमारी फायरवॉल, इसे हम बोलते हैं सेशन टेबल और कनेक्शन टेबल, ठीक है। लेट्स से सिन पैकेट गोज टू दिस फायरवॉल एंड दिस फायरवॉल maintaining a table, this is called your state table, or we can say it connection table, right? Every firewall maintain this database, even Checkpoint, Palo Alto, Cisco as well. Okay, so all are stateful firewall. Now in this table what information they are taking, let's say this is 10.1 8.8.8.8. so in this table it will maintain the source IP and the destination IP and type of packet or service or request, whatever it is, whether it is ICMP packet or SYN packet or whatever it is, right? Let's say this is your SYN packet. So now our firewall made one entry in their table. Now let's say SYN packet sent to this firewall, and this firewall passing this पैकेट टू इंटरनेट एंड वाया इंटरनेट इट रीचेज टू दिस सर्वर, ठीक है। सर्वर के पास पहुंच गया। नाउ सर्वर रिप्लाइंग दिस सिन पैकेट बाय जनरेटिंग सिन प्लस एग पैकेट, राइट। सिन प्लस एग पैकेट जनरेट किया। नाउ दिस पैकेट सेंड बैक टू द फायरवॉल, राइट। सो इफ फायरवॉल फाउंड दिस एंट्री to their state table or connection table, then this packet would be passed. Otherwise this packet gets dropped on this interface. Let's say if some unwanted people would like to try and access your inside network, right, so they all will be denied. If they do not have any entry in state table or connection table, the packet would get dropped, ठीक है जी। अरे भाई देखो ऐसा है कि सिन और सिन सिन गया था बाहर और टेबल मेंटेन हो गई थी, ठीक है, और सिन प्लस एक रिप्लाई में आया, अगर टेबल में यहाँ से हमारे पास से ये डिटेल का सिन पैकेट गया है तो उसको इन कर दिया जाएगा, अदरवाइज ड्रॉप कर दिया जाएगा, ठीक है। सिंपल फंडा है बिल्कुल।
मतलब कि
हाँ
कोई भी अगर आईपी मिल रहा है फायरवॉल को, दूसरा कोई अटैक हो रहा है, मतलब
हाँ
कोई भी दूसरा ट्रैफिक आ रहा है,
हाँ,
तो उसको वो ड्रॉप कर देगा।
यस, ऑल अदर।
और ये
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
और ये स्टेटलेस में ऐसा होता है कि मतलब हम ये एक्सेस कंट्रोल इस एसीएल का ही यूज़ करते हैं, और जिसमें मतलब फिल्टरिंग कोई नहीं होती, मतलब कोई
नहीं
ऐसा टेबल नहीं।
नहीं होता, टेबल मेंटेन नहीं होती, राइट। सो द मे
मतलब कोई भी मतलब इनकमिंग आउटगोइंग ट्रैफिक कोई भी आ सकता है,
हाँ कुछ भी आ सकता है, ठीक है।
और
मीन
जस्ट एसीएल से हम ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं, वही
हाँ
बस वही।
हाँ, ठीक है। टू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर, लेट्स मूव टू सम थ्योरी पोर्शन। Stateful and stateless. Stateful firewall maintain context about active session, means stateful firewall maintains a table which is called connection table or state table, ठीक है, and session, and use that state information to speed packet processing, right. What it does with this table is to speed packet processing. If packet does not matches an existing connection, it will be evaluated according to the rules set for new connection, right. If a packet matches an existing connection based on comparison with the firewall's state table, it will be allowed to pass without further processing. If we have that entry in our table, then the traffic would be passed, otherwise it would be dropped. Now let's move to next point, which is stateless firewall. Means we are not maintaining any kind of states. Stateless firewall require less memory and can be faster for simple filters that require less time to filter than to look up a session. They may also be necessary to for filtering stateless network protocol that have no concept of a session, right. However, they cannot make more complex decision based on what stage communication between host and host have reached. So best example for stateless is ACL. Access control list is the best example for this stateless firewall. And for stateful firewall, we have FortiGate and other firewalls as well, ठीक है। तो ये मेन डिफरेंस है, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बिकॉज मे बी यू विल गेट दिस क्वेश्चन इन इंटरव्यू, ठीक है, दैट्स वाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट वेरी वेल। नाउ टाइप ऑफ फायरवॉल. So again, as the name explains, type of firewall, the packet filter we already done with that. Application level gateway, it means you are applying filters on layer 7, right. Application layer gateway, this is your application layer gateway. It means you are filtering, you are applying any filter on layer 7, ठीक है। लेयर 7 पे जो भी फिल्टरिंग करते हो वो क्या है, आपका एप्लीकेशन लेयर गेटवे है, ठीक है, नाउ जस्ट लुक एट दैट, क्या बोल रहा है ये, अगेन द सेम थिंग, राइट. Okay. We already done with application level gateway, right? We can block any particular application, telnet, FTP, SMTP, HTTP, even we can do so many things with that, right? With application level gateway. We are not covering circuit level gateway. So now let's close this and move to the new next topic, which is, so we already done with type of firewall, right? Now let's move with some, let's talk about some FortiGate history. So what is FortiGate and how they come up into the market and their awards and their journey. So this is my FortiGate history. I'm using Wikipedia. That's a authentic source. That's why I using it, right? So now FortiGate again. FortiGate is a Sunnyvale, California based company. Okay. Now, what it does is cybersecurity products and services it provides, right? Fortinet was founded in 2000 by brother Ken Z and Michael Z, right? The company first product was FortiGate, a firewall. The company later needed wireless access point, sandboxing, and messaging security. So this is their FortiGate was their first device. Now, just go through with this with some points. So these are the key people: Ken, Michael, and Keith, right? And these are the FortiGate products, right? FortiGate, Fortinet Security, FortiGate UTM. UTM means Unified Threat Management. Okay, this is their new product. FortiGate Enterprise, FortiGate Career, FortiGate Web, FortiGate same Sandbox, Client, Manager, and Analyzer. Okay, so these are the FortiGate products. Just hold on a second. Yeah, so this is the image which I would like to show you all. Okay, these are the FortiGate products. Unified Threat Management, we have two products: FortiGate Network Security, that is your firewall; FortiGate Access Point, FortiGate Manager, FortiManager, FortiAnalyzer, FortiEmail, FortiWeb. This is used for Forti email filtering, right? And this is used for web filtering, for URL filtering, or application means web filtering. And we also have FortiGate Guard, which work as an antivirus or anti-malware protection, right? FortiClient, FortiScan, and Forti Database. So it will secure your database. So these are some products, and we will cover some products from this picture. We will cover FortiManager, FortiMail, FortiWeb, FortiGuard, and FortiClient is for VPN, and that is for remote VPN, and FortiScan, right? We can also cover FortiGate. So in this course we will cover some of the products, and apart from that we also have so many products. These are not the end of their product line. ठीक है जी, इससे भी ज़्यादा आगे चीज़ें आएंगी. अभी ये कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. इसके साथ और भी है, यहाँ पे एंड नहीं है इसका. ठीक है, so now let's move back to history. इसमें कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट कुछ पॉइंट्स इसमें है. रिसेंटली, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन अ सेकेंड. यस, Fortinet Security Fabric. This is one of the one of their product, right? The new security fabric. After this new security fabric, they have introduced their next generation firewall after adding this to their firewall, right? Means they introduced Fortinet security fabric. After just after introducing this FortiGate security fabric, they have their firewall have the capability of next generation firewall, right? Before that, that firewall was not a next generation firewall. ठीक है. ये Fortinet सिक्योरिटी फैब्रिक आने के बाद में जितनी फायरवॉल बनाई है इन्होंने, वो क्या थी? सारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फायरवॉल. उससे पहले कोई भी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फायरवॉल नहीं थी. ठीक है. तो 2016 के बाद हुआ है इनका ये चेंजेस, अप्रैल 2016 के बाद. So one more important point, FortiGate released its first product, FortiGate, a firewall, in 2002. They started their company in 2000 and they launched their first firewall in 2002, followed by anti-spam and antivirus software. FortiGate was updated to use application-specific integrated circuit architecture. So this is the architecture. The architecture part we will cover in tomorrow class, right? कल की क्लास में हम आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट कवर करेंगे इसका. ठीक है. विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इंटरव्यू प्रोस्पेक्टिव, architecture is very important. Firewall architecture, right? The company has used ASIC in several of its products, including to support its SD-WAN feature. Fortinet later merged its network security offering, including firewall, anti-spam and antivirus software into one product, right? So now we only have one hardware firewall and it does so many tasks. Like, you can do URL filtering with one firewall. You can also run antivirus with that firewall, anti-spyware, what else? IPS, intrusion prevention system, right? And IPS and IDS also, intrusion detection system. Apart from that, HTTPS inspection means someone taking care of that, means inspecting your packet. Inspection, HTTPS inspection, SSL inspection. तो आज के ज़माने में भाई एक ही बॉक्स में इन्होंने क्या कर दिया, सब कुछ कर दिया है. पहले अलग अलग बॉक्स आते थे सबके. URL फिल्टरिंग के लिए अलग लगाओ, एंटीवायरस के लिए अलग बॉक्स लेना पड़ेगा, एंटी स्पाईवेयर के लिए अलग लो, IPS IDS के लिए अलग लो, HTTPS के अलग लो. अब ऐसा नहीं होता. आज एक सिंगल बॉक्स के अंदर सारी सर्विसेज आ गई हैं. ओके जी. सो दिस इज़ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द FortiGate or Fortinet company. Right now, let's move to the next topic, which is firewall series, means type of firewalls. So this is the product matrix which I got from the Fortinet website, right? So this is the updated one. You can see here they have recently updated their data sheet, December 2020. ठीक है. 2020 में अपडेट हुई है. Okay guys, so this is your Fortinet product matrix and this is the updated one. So let's go through with it. Very important for us. So So firewall, actually they have so many firewalls or so many devices, I can say, not firewall, so many devices, right? And so many platforms. This is FGF, whatever it is, 40F, 60E, 60F series, 80E series, 80F series. You can see that they all have different capabilities. Let's talk about 40F. 40F, the VPN throughput for this firewall is 4.4 Gbps, and 1 Gbps would be your IPS throughput, and next generation firewall throughput would be 800 Mbps, right? And if I talk about 80F, then this is 6.5 Gbps, 1.4 Gbps, 1 Gbps, and 900 Mbps. It depends upon your network and depends upon your requirement, how larger firewall you want for your network. ठीक है जी, आपके रिक्वायरमेंट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप कितनी ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी वाली फायरवॉल लेना चाहते हो. तो ये सारे ऑप्शंस हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं इसमें. इसकी सीरीज़ आप देख सकते हो कि ये आपका जो स्मॉल मीडियम नेटवर्क होता है, SME जिसको बोलते हैं, स्मॉल मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द SME कंपनीज यूजेस these kind of firewall, 40F, 60E, 60F, 80, 80F. You will find this firewall, these all firewalls, right? So now let's move to the next series, which is 100E, 100F, 200E, 200F, 400. Now again they are more capable for everything, right? So you can see variants. This is Wi-Fi. This also provide Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi storage, and these all are the variants of this firewall. Okay. Again, this comes under the SME category. Now network security platform. We also have one more series, 600 series, 1000, 1100E, 1500D, 1800F. 2000 series, 2200, 3000, 3400. ठीक है जी. तो ऐसे करके these firewall goes up to, these are the high end series. FortiGate 5000, 7000 series. This is also 7000, 6500. These all are your high end series. ठीक है जी. इनका कैपेसिटी देख लो और आउटपुट देख लो कितना ज़बरदस्त है. IPN, let's talk about this 730. This one is the highest one, right? So where we use it? We use it in data centers. Okay. So IPsec VPN input is, VPN throughput is 100 Gbps, 120 IPS इसका ये रहा. नेक्स्ट जनरेशन फायरवॉल. तो ये है जी. ठीक है. प्रोसेसिंग कितनी फास्ट होगी इसके लिए. ठीक है. सो नाउ इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स इन योर कंपनी एंड ऑल द फैक्टर्स. ठीक है. FortiGate also makes other products like FortiManager. This is your centralized management platform. The best example for this is, let's say this is our firewall 1, firewall 2, firewall 3, 4, 5, and this 6. We can manage all firewalls centrally by using a single device, which is your FortiManager. Okay. So centralized management platform will help you to manage all the firewalls with one device. You can directly connect your laptop or desktop with this firewall management, or we can say it FortiManager, manager, and we can deploy a single policy by clicking by applying the single policy. Let's say I have created one policy here. This is my policy, and I would like to apply this policy to all 6 firewall in one go. What I'll do is I'll directly access FortiManager and create one policy and apply it on all the firewalls in one click, right? That is the reason we use FortiManager. So this is my FortiManager. Okay, we can also do so many things. We can even enable multiple type of profiles. Let's say you would like to enable antivirus in all firewalls. You can just enable it in one go just by clicking on one option. ठीक है, फोर्टी मैनेजर सेंट्रलाइज मैनेजमेंट के काम आता है. ये भी क्या होता है, आपका एक डिवाइस. Okay, now your Forti manager have different capabilities and different series: 200, 300, 1000, 2000, 3000, 37 and all, right? So this is your Forti manager. Now Forti analyzer. Analyzer means someone analyzing your traffic. Okay, so now let me not describe it. You just go through with it. If you found any problem with that, you can contact me. Now Forti SIEM, Unified Event Correlation and Risk Management Solution. Authenticator, User Identity Management. Authenticator means maybe you have heard about Cisco ICE, Identity Service Engine. ठीक है, सिस्को आइस अगर आपको पता है, एंड TAC, टेकैक्स प्लस, और एक सर्वर और होता है रेडियस, राइट. सो इन अ सिंपल लैंग्वेज मैं इसको क्या बोलता हूँ, जो यूज़र आइडेंटिटी मैनेजमेंट सर्वर है, बेसिकली दिस फोर्टी ऑथेंटिकेटर टास्क इज़ टू परफॉर्म AAA. क्या करता है ये, AAA परफॉर्म करता है. ऑथेंटिकेशन मीन्स दिस फोर्टी ऑथेंटिकेटर ऑथेंटिकेट अ यूज़र. AAA ऑथेंटिकेशन, ऑथराइजेशन, and accounting, right? So these 3 tasks performed by this FortiGate authenticator. It means, let's say a user would like to try any portal. ठीक है, यूज़र कोई ट्राई कर रहा है पोर्टल लॉगिन करने के लिए. So what authentication does is, authentication check the valid username or password, username and password. If the user is valid, then the user would be authenticated, otherwise that would not be authenticated. ठीक है, लॉगिन आईडी, अगर लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड सही डाल रहे हो तो ऑथेंटिकेशन परफॉर्म हो जाएगा आपका. ठीक है, सो दीज 3 टर्म्स मेंटेन बाय दिस फायरवॉल, सॉरी फोर्टी ऑथेंटिकेटर, राइट. सो दिस मीन्स every firewall have their own names. Cisco says it Cisco ICE, Cisco ISE, which is Identity Service Engine. Cisco इसे क्या बोलता है, आइडेंटिटी सर्विस इंजन. तो ये डिपेंड करता है आपकी कंपनी का जो भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है उसके ऊपर. ठीक है, इंटरनल प्रोसेसिंग सबकी सेम है, ओनली द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पार्ट विल गेट चेंज, राइट, एंड द वर्किंग ऑफ ऑल द ऑथेंटिकेटेड डिवाइसेस आर सेम, वेदर इट इज सिस्को, Palo Alto, Checkpoint or FortiGate. Okay, they are using all common things and common protocols. Now FortiGate access point, wireless access point, FortiGate switch, This is your switch, like catalyst switch in Cisco. So this is your 40 switch, 100 series, 200 series, 500, 1000, 3000. 40 NAC, network access control solution. Sandbox, we will talk about sandbox later. 40 client, advanced endpoint protection. 40 client means this is your VPN solution. Okay, if someone, let's say nowadays people are working from home, working from their home, right? Let's say this is your firewall and this is your company network and this is your internet and this is your one of the best employee sitting and trying to connect over the internet with your internal company network. ठीक है, तो what this client or this user doing is, first user will create a tunnel by using 40 client. It will open a software 40 client. This is your VPN software, राइट? ये क्या है तुम्हारा 40 क्लाइंट एक VPN सॉफ्टवेयर है. ये 40 क्लाइंट जैसे ही ओपन करेगा एक VPN कनेक्शन बन जाएगा तुम्हारी फायरवॉल के साथ. ठीक है, आप लेट्स से दिस यूज़र इंस्टॉल दिस 40 क्लाइंट सॉफ्टवेयर एंड it will try to connect with their firewall. So what this software doing is, software creating a tunnel between firewall and this device, right? So this is a VPN software which is provided by FortiGate. Only FortiGate firewall can connect with this software, not other vendors. ठीक है, because every vendors have their own software. If I talk about Cisco have AnyConnect. Cisco AnyConnect. FortiGate have 40 client. Checkpoint have secure remote. ठीक है जी, ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर सब हर कंपनी का अलग है. सिस्को के पास है सिस्को AnyConnect और सिक्योर रिमोट है चेकपॉइंट का. ठीक है, ऐसे सबके अपने अपने हैं. पॉलो अल्टो का भी अलग है. तो ये क्या है, आपके टनल बनाने के लिए काम आते हैं ये सॉफ्टवेयर. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट. 40 मेल. इट विल हेल्प यू टू प्रोटेक्ट योर ईमेल, और ईमेल सिक्योरिटी का काम आता है बेसिकली ये कि कोई जंक ईमेल, टू फिल्टर आउट द जंक ईमेल, स्पैम ईमेल्स एंड emails which are infected by virus, it can immediately drop them, right? फायरवॉल हमारी क्या करती है, सबको ड्रॉप कर देगी, मेल को स्कैन करके आगे भेजेगी अंदर इंटरनल नेटवर्क में. 40 वेब, वी यूज़ इट फॉर वेब फिल्टरिंग. दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ प्रॉक्सी सर्वर एज वेल. ओके, so 40 web, with the help of 40 web we can filter traffic, URL traffic, I can say like that. Or we can also filter particular application, like let's say if we want to ban a porn website in our inside network, we can ban this by using web application filter. Okay, we can deny all type of unwanted websites. Okay, so now virtual appliances. ठीक है, what virtual appliances का मतलब क्या है जी, जो आप VMware में जो इंस्टॉल करते हो जो appliances, वो सारे हैं इनके virtual appliances हैं. ये virtual images हमें मिल जाती हैं, तो ये सबकी अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, list of other products: cloud security, DDoS, WLC wireless controller, wireless manager, secure VoIP solution. ठीक है जी, so this is the end of FortiGate products or series. Okay, now let's move to